Everyone thinks that toughness is something you're born with. Toughness is a choice. It's putting the right food in your body. It's training when you don't feel like it. It's reading a book instead of turning on the television. Toughness is a choice you have to make over and over again until it becomes a habit, until it is a part of you like flesh and bone. Life is going to kick your ass at some point or another, but you decide whether or not you are a victim. When something happens out there, we don't make a big show of it so people feel sorry for us. We're not victims. We're playing the game we love, and we know it's going to hurt.
Nice battle, man. Nice battle. Come on. Come on. Yes, yes,
Doesn't get any better than this! And we'll keep on fighting till the end. Oh, we are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions.
In Class A, Lewiston tried to defend their state title against Falmouth. The teams split their regular season matchup. It was scoreless after one, but Lewiston started the scoring early in the second period when Cole Willett weaves through the defense for the goal. A few minutes later, Alex Robert knocks in the rebound, and the Blue Devils were on top 2-0. Then late in the third, Alex Rivet knocks in another rebound, and Lewiston led 3-0 after two. Earlier in the third, Willett scores his second goal of the game, and Lewiston wins 6-2. The Blue Devils have now won 22 hockey state titles.